Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're talking about a device that tries to take handheld PC gaming to the next level, the ROG Ally X. It's not just a minor refresh of the original Ally, it's ASS pushing for more performance, better ergonomics, and longer playtime without sacrificing portability. The first thing you notice is how much better it feels in the hands. ASUS has slightly adjusted the grip shape, making it more comfortable during long sessions. The weight balance has improved, so it doesn't feel front-heavy. Buttons and sticks feel premium, with snappy triggers and smooth analog control. The D-pad is tighter and more responsive, making retro games and precise platformers feel better than before. When you fire it up, you're greeted by that sharp 7-inch touchscreen. The panel is bright, colorful, and runs at a high refresh rate, so even fast-paced shooters look smooth. It's usable indoors and out, and the bezels are slim enough to feel modern without sacrificing durability. Performance is where the Ally X flexes its muscles. Powered by AMD's latest Ryzen Z1 Extreme refresh with more efficient cores, it pushes higher frame rates in AAA titles while keeping thermals in check. In Cyberpunk 2077 or Forza Horizon 5, you can easily hit playable settings at the native resolution, and with AMD's FSR upscaling, you can bump visuals without a big performance hit. Cooling has been improved too. The dual fan system runs quieter than the original Ally, and you feel less heat in your hands during intense sessions. The AI-powered fan control can ramp up or slow down depending on the game's demands, which helps with battery life as well. Speaking of battery, this is one of the big wins for the Ally X. Asus has gone with a larger battery, giving you noticeably more time away from the charger. You can expect several hours of heavy gaming, and even more with indie titles or cloud gaming. When you do need to recharge, USB-C fast charging gets you back into the action quickly. Audio is impressive for a handheld. The front-facing speakers have good clarity, decent bass, and enough volume to fill a small room. Paired with Dolby Atmos, directional cues in games feel more immersive, though most gamers will still reach for a headset. The Ally X runs Windows 11, meaning you're not locked into a closed ecosystem. You can install Steam, Xbox Game Pass, Epic GOG, and even emulators. ASUS's Armory Crate, say software, is still here, letting you quickly tweak performance modes, remap buttons, and customize RGB lighting without digging through menus. Connectivity is strong USB-C with DisplayPort support, microSD expansion, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth for controllers and accessories. The only thing missing is the proprietary ROG XG mobile port, which Asus has dropped in favor of more universal compatibility. A move that makes sense for flexibility. Price-wise, the Ally X sits above the original Ally, but the upgrades: longer battery life, better cooling, improved ergonomics, and a more efficient chip make it worth the jump if you're serious about handheld PC gaming. Pros: better comfort, more battery life, improved thermals, strong performance, and open software. Cons: still pricey for a handheld, and Windows can feel clunky for touch-only use in some scenarios. Final verdict: the ROG Ally X refines what made the original great and fixes many of its weaknesses. It's powerful, flexible, and now much more practical for gaming away from a desk. If you want a handheld that plays like a gaming PC without tying you to a TV, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the tech that's changing the way we play.